Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So a good tip for something that I do, and I encourage others to do it as well, would be to prompt upgrades. Now, I do this to my members. It might be that they get an email maybe once every 2 or 3 months. And let me show you how I set this up. Let's first of all go and have a look at our members. To search our members. So in this example, what I'm going to do is I want to prompt anyone on membership plan 3, which includes 3 types of members here, to upgrade to membership plan 2, because membership plan 2 is better than membership plan 3. Now, these are all default settings on this particular demo website, so your membership plans won't be called membership plan 3, membership plan 2, or it's unlikely they'll be called that. You probably have nice names, it might be bronze, silver, gold, or something like that. But in this example, we can see that these 3 members are on membership plan 3. So what I want to do is I want to be able to prompt these maybe every 2 months with an email prompting them of reasons why they should upgrade. So to do that, if you want to set this up, what you could do is, first of all, we're going to search for our membership plans 3s. Now, I know that I've hardly got any members here, so we know that there are only a few members, 3 members that I can visually see here that are in membership plan 3. But I want to display them as the search results. So what I'm going to do is just go to here, and we're just going to select membership plan 3, and I'll show you why we're doing this, and then search members. So now what we can see is 3 results. So then what I want to do is I want to go to list actions, and in list actions I want to create a smart list, and I'm going to call this smart list upgrade membership plan 3, and you can call it what you want. I've just chose to call it upgrade membership plan 3, and I'm going to put yes to continue. And what that has done is it's created a smart list for the current results for membership plan 3. Now, if another person comes along tomorrow and joins my website on membership plan 3, that smart list will automatically update and include the other member. Just in the same way as if one of these members leaves the website and is no longer there because they've closed their account down, that person will automatically get removed from the smart list. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to emails, and we're going to go to send newsletter. And this is where we're going to set up our prompt. So we're going to go to add new email newsletter. We're going to call it, we're in July just at the minute, so I'm going to call this August upgrade membership plan 3. Okay, again, you don't need to call it this, it's just what I called it. And then select email template. So what I've done is I've already created an email template for upgrade, for prompting upgrading or prompting members on level 3 or membership plan level 3 to upgrade, and I'll show you that just in a moment. So what we've done is we've applied the email template that we're going to use, and this is it. It simply says, it's a straightforward email. It says upgrade today and get noticed in the subject. And again, I haven't spent any time on this at all. It really is just to give you a visual. Give your listing a boost, and it says hi there. You might decide to use a variable there, so it would be probably better if you used a variable first name. So I can put first name. We notice you're currently on membership plan 3, but did you know that membership plan 2 gives you even more visibility and flexibility? By upgrading, you'll unlock more service categories. Your phone number and website links will be displayed to build trust, increase visibility in search results, and greater flexibility to tailor your listing. In our experiences, business who include full contact details see up to a 60% increase in inquiries. And then we've got our CTA, our call to action button. And then what we can do is link this to account upgrade. and that will then take them straight to the upgrade section, particularly if they're already signed in. If they're not already signed in, it will take them to the login form first, and then once they log in, then they'll go to the appropriate page so they can continue with the upgrade. So this is August upgrade. So we're going to preview our email. You can check your email over there. Select the recipients that we want to add. So we want to add our smart list upgrade member plan 3. Now we can see that there are 3 members. 3 qualifying members in this. Remember, if somebody signs up, we're in July now. If 10 people sign up before the end of July and they all land in membership plan 3, this figure will automatically update before the email sent if we're not sending it till August. And what we can do is we can schedule in here when we want to send it. So I might send it on Friday, and I'm going to send it at 10 a.m. in the morning. So that I know that people are going to be able to get the email, see the email as soon as it comes in, and then they can respond to that. And then click to schedule. And then you'll just go through some prompts to set that up. And then that's done. Now, this page will refresh and you'll be able to see that in there. But not only do I want this to go in August, I want this to go every 2 months. So what I'm going to do for speed is I'm going to clone this. So I'm going to go to Actions. I'm going to create a clone. So I'm sending to the same member type. Might not be 3 by the next time this email goes out, because the figures will update themselves if somebody has replied. Then what I'm going to go do is go straight to schedule email. I'm going to schedule this for later, and this time I'm going to send it in October, and I'm going to send it on a Friday morning, again the first Friday in October, and I'm going to send it at 10 a.m. Now you just need to set this up for a whole year. If I was going to send this email every 2 months, I just need to clone it 6 times and repeat this process. So that's going to be the 10th, so that's September. So again here, it's October. So we're going to put in here October. And I'm going to take out copy of. We're going to click to schedule. And again, what we're going to do is just click through these prompts. And then the page will refresh. And now you'll see that that is set up as well. So they are scheduled. Now, again, these figures will automatically adjust for any new sign-ups that fall into that membership plan, or any members that are in that membership plan, where maybe they've downgraded to that membership plan, and they will be included in that upgrade email prompt that will get sent out to them. And as I said, you can do this for the whole year. If we're sending this upgrade prompt 6 times in a year, we're just cloning it and making sure we set the date in advance, and then it's done. And you can do this for each of your membership types as well. So where we've created a smart list there based on people that are in membership plan 3, you can create a smart list for people who are in membership plan 2 to prompt them to upgrade them to membership plan 1. So you can do that as well. And then what I do is, for people that are in our top membership plans where there are no more upgrades, either I'll send them an email every 2 months with a digital product that I might want to sell to them, or what I might do in the email is put some prompts in there to say, hey, you're one of our top members, you're on our top membership plan, did you know you can post articles? You can put your links in there to your website and stuff like that, and the benefits of linking your website through articles and SEO credibility and stuff like that. So there's all sorts of different things that you can do, and you can plan this for the year. So usually what I do is take time out in January and plan all my emails to be sent out automatically to my members for upgrade prompts and any other prompts that I might want to give throughout the year. And these smart lists are a fantastic way to do it, because what these will do is they will automatically adjust throughout the year according to who's in what membership plan. So really good tip there. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.